Do you have 2 bananas and 2 eggs? The banana dessert everyone is talking about. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Did you know that with just 2 bananas and 2 eggs, you can not only make a delicious dessert, but also discover a series of interesting secrets hidden behind these familiar ingredients? With just 2 ripe bananas and 2 eggs, you will be surprised because you can create a fragrant, soft cake that everyone loves. No need for an oven, no need for flour. The secret lies in this simple but extremely attractive recipe. Let's get started turning familiar ingredients into a sweet cake right at home. And even more surprising, all of those interesting things are wrapped up in the extremely simple banana dessert recipe that you are about to see. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. I have 2 bananas, 2 eggs. Peel the banana. Use a knife to cut off both ends of the banana. Make a slit along the banana stem. Gently separate the banana flesh from the peel. Put the banana in a large bowl. Add 2 eggs. Use a fork to mash the banana. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then beat the egg to mix it well with the mashed banana. Did you know that bananas are radioactive? It sounds dangerous, but don't worry. Bananas contain a very mild, natural radioactive isotope. You would have to eat 10 million bananas at once to have any problems. Did you know that the bananas we eat today could disappear in just a few years? All bananas sold in stores are genetic copies of a single variety. The Cavendish, a deadly virus, Panama disease, is threatening to wipe them out, just like it wiped out another banana variety in the 1950s. Where are you watching this video? A pinch of salt. Did you know that salt can make ice burn? When you sprinkle salt on an ice cube and touch it with your finger, it will feel like it is burning. 110 milliliters milk. Milk can protect your teeth better than water. Continue stirring with a fork. Milk contains calcium and phosphorus, which helps strengthen tooth enamel. Use a whisk to beat the mixture. Even after eating sweets, a glass of milk can help protect your teeth. Prepare a pan, add 5 to 6 tablespoons of sugar to the pan. Did you know that sugar can heal wounds? Sugar has long been used to treat cuts and burns because it absorbs moisture and prevents bacteria from growing. Place the pan on the stove. Caramelize the sugar. Let it cool, then pour in the flour. Cook on low heat for 15 minutes. When the cake is done, turn off the stove. Place a plate upside down on the pan. Flip the pan over so that the cake lies flat on the plate. Wow, what an enticing aroma! Use a knife to cut into bite-sized pieces. Arrange on a plate and enjoy. Method 2. Make fried banana cake. If you still have some ripe bananas that you haven't eaten yet, don't throw them away. With just a few ingredients available in the kitchen, you can turn them into a delicious banana cake that everyone loves. Start by peeling 4 to 5 ripe bananas. Peel the bananas, cut them in half if the bananas are large, and then gently press them to flatten them. You can use a clean plastic bag and a heavy object to press them. Prepare a large bowl. Put the flour, turmeric powder, rice flour, sugar, and salt in a large bowl. Slowly add water, stirring while pouring until the mixture is smooth. If desired, add black sesame. Let the dough rest for about 15 to 20 minutes to help the dough expand and become crispier when fried. Dip each banana piece into the bowl of flour, making sure the flour covers both sides. Heat cooking oil in a pan, enough oil to cover the bananas. When the oil is hot, add each banana piece that has been dipped in flour to fry. Fry over medium heat. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Until the cake is golden brown on both sides. The outer shell is crispy, then remove. You can fry twice to make the cake crispy longer. When the cake is cooked, the whole kitchen will be filled with the scent of ripe bananas. The cake crust is golden brown. The inside is soft, moist, and extremely attractive. This banana cake is not only easy to make, but also healthy, low in fat, and a great way to make use of ripe bananas. With just a few simple steps, you can keep bananas fresh for more than a week without worrying about spoilage. And if the bananas are ripe, now you have a delicious, easy-to-make cake recipe that the whole family will love. Thank you for watching the whole video. Try making this banana cake and leave a comment to share your feelings. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like. See you next time. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you find the video interesting, please click like for me. Don't forget to share it with your relatives and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel to support. Thank you. See you in the next video.